everybody! Paranormal Niblack is back with SpongeBob Employee of the Month, Part 2. Let's get right at it.
I'm stumped, Patrick. Do you know where I could find any bus tokens?
Just buy them.
Patrick, you know we don't have any money.
Oh, well, then just go find some buried treasure.
Buried treasure? How am I gonna find buried treasure?
Well, I heard the Flying Dutchman buried some treasure near Goo Lagoon. Maybe you could talk to someone over there.
Well, it sounds like a long shot, but I might as well give it a try.
Okay, so in part one, we were talking about how if you're a fan of SpongeBob and good third-person adventure, you might want to get this game because it's really good third-person. It's really adventurous. I think I've beat the game. I'm not sure, but yeah. So if you're interested in third-person adventurous and comedy, you might all get this. Okay.
Hey, Patrick, I like it.
Yeah, it's the newest.
I'll be back, Patrick.
If you don't want to read it, just click it to skip the sentence. Okay? So let's go to the beach.
Goo Lagoon. There is nothing like being at the ocean, except being under the
You
ocean.
guys know him? Or the good thing about this part is you can, double click to run. I already told you that, but you can play soccer. Or whatever you want to call it. Epic failure. SpongeBob, you suck. Come on. Get it in. Yeah, unfortunately SpongeBob's really bad at soccer with a beach ball.
Yippee!
Okay, he got it in. Let's go. Well, that's a sand castle. It's a little weird, but... Oh, wait, guys, do not go in there. Go to Muscle Beach first. Always go to Muscle Beach at this part, okay? Way better. Take a closer look at SpongeBob. He has all the details. So, yeah. You guys know him? Larry the Lobster. Larry Lobster. Okay.
Look at him go. He's probably preparing for his next movie.
Okay. Let's talk to Larry.
Hello, Larry.
Hi there, SpongeBob.
What's we do? What's he doing? Say Larry.